Yo guys, what is going on? So this video is just going to be a little unboxing that I'm going to do in light of something new that's going to be pretty useful on the channel. And it comes in a bag like so. Anyways, let's just jump right into it. Alright, so we got a bit of an interesting camera angle, but receipt, we don't need that. So we got an Apple bag. But in the Apple bag is the GoPro Hero6 Black. And as you can see, it's not just the GoPro, we got kind of an accessory kit. So before I dive into actually opening this up, I'm just going to explain. So I looked online a bunch for the GoPro Hero6 Black, as well as kind of the accessories you can get for it. And I found out that Apple specifically, at least in Canada, sells this accessory kit that comes with a mini tripod. Here, let me show you. So it comes with the mini tripod, the charging cable, or like USB cable, some adhesive clips, and just a nice carrying case for everything all together. So that all added, I think it was $30 or $40 to the price over top of the camera, and I looked it up and on Amazon for that tripod alone, it's $50. So it just kind of made sense to go with that because I wanted to get a small tripod anyways. Okay, so yeah, these are all the accessories that come with it, as well as it comes with SD card that fit, or micro SD card, sorry. So first things first, grab the knife that has your name on it, and let's start right along here. Okay, so this is the box. This is actually really nice. It's got a nice kind of more solid bottom on it, as well as kind of the woven top. It looks really nice. Easy to fit in a backpack or anything like that. Like, this is a smaller MacBook, and you can see it's about the same size as that overall. If you want to compare it to a phone, it's about that big. Anyways, let's open this thing up and see what's inside. So what do we got up top? We got warranty. If I have to, oh no, this is just kind of like a quick setup guide for attaching it or putting it in case or anything like that. Stickers, and then you got all the product information that you're never going to read. So this is where all the money is in this tiny little guy. Honestly, this is the first GoPro I've ever owned, so this is pretty exciting for me. But yeah, so you got the camera there. That's where all the value is. So it comes with a micro SD card, and then it also comes with the micro SD card adapter, which is actually really convenient because I put my SD cards into my laptop all the time to pull information off them. So that's pretty sweet that it comes with that. Let's throw it there for now. You got the GoPro mount piece. This is one of the adhesive adapters, so this will just, I guess, slide into this or whatever, however these work. But then the adhesive on the back. So that's pretty good. They've got multiple ones of those. A battery, USB cord, and the screw for mounting. And then over here, if I can get it out, we've got case, a nice kind of like, I'm assuming this is like a shock-proof case, as well as used for mounting, or used for the tripod slash handle. This thing will be really sweet if I'm kind of recording with it, you know, to hold the camera with. As well as, I guess, you need this to attach it to any sort of stands or anything, which is nice because my in-car suction cup mount thingies use have a GoPro mount capability, so that'll be pretty sweet. Some foam pieces. I'm not really sure what these styrofoam pieces are for. Or not styrofoam, sorry. Cloth pieces. There's like a bunch of them. If anybody knows what these are for, feel free to drop it in the comments and let me know, because at the moment I have absolutely no idea. In the zippered section there is, believe it or not, more of these. So yeah, that about sums up. There's a bunch of little storage spots in here. This feels like it's pretty soft fabric up in here, so it won't damage anything. Yeah, I have no idea what any of these are for. I'm assuming if you want to put like dividers in here, but I have no idea. Okay guys, so while I was trying to put everything away in here, I noticed that this whole zipper area I was playing with isn't actually like just a zippered area. This is actually a separate bag completely. So there's kind of this little bag. There's actually like belt loops on the back of it where you could kind of, I guess, carry your whole GoPro around in this. So that's kind of cool. It also opens up a lot of space inside the box. So yeah, actually that about sums it up. I'm pretty stoked about this little guy right here. I won't really have to use my sister's camera to record all this stuff as much. I'll be probably doing most of my recording on here, which means the audio quality will probably change, and hopefully the camera quality will increase. Yeah, these things just blow my mind how small they are. Anyways guys, that's the video. If you liked it, drop a thumbs up. If you want to see more content, more of my content, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, this has been Rain City Cars, and I'm out. Peace.